Alright, quick update. We just got this beast. I'm gonna call it Thor. And little Kai is right there already. Say hi. Alright. And let's see. Look at that. It's pretty awesome. Alright, so we are driving Thor, the truck. And that was very nice, Nick. Thank you, Nick. So he said everything was wrong with the truck, and I just need to jump in there and fix it. But it drives very well. Look at that. There's some lights on, and you know, normal stuff like gas and washer fluid. The ABS and the brake are on. I'll figure that out. But apart from that, looks pretty clean, very well taken care of. Very, very nice. Welcome to the family. Alright, after driving the truck, we came to Coeur d'Alene just to go for a little walk on that river. And look what we found, a car show. So look at this. Oh yeah, let's buy that. I like this Chevy SS. Alright, so look at this one. Let's keep rolling. Aí, Zalão, se liga só. Olha os bagulho, mano. Wow, look at that one. Oh man, olha lá. O Elvis veio aqui também. Yeah? So we're gonna plug the OBD2 and see what the codes are, because I know I have lots of it. So it says scroll, enter to scan. Waiting for vehicle to respond. I hate this, by the way.
I know, I'm surprised you have that on there.
Yeah. I think it's trying to find the right vehicle. Do I need to run the car?
Maybe. Linking error, please try again.
Alright. Verify the ignition is on.
Oh, okay, there we go. Now try it.
Alright. Yeah, it's very dirty up here.
Yeah, it's easy.
I mean, it's grass stuff.
There you go.
Alright.
So
Oh my god. Alright, so if we scroll down, read codes. So manufacturer control, we just need to see what is that.
Okay.
So we have in the video, and the next one, oh, read codes. And the next one is shift.
3 to 4 shift.
What the hell is that? Alright.
It's not bad too.
I don't know what the shift is.
Let's have a look at it.
Alright.
You got anything else to say?
Later. This is Thor first bath. Yeah, look at that. I'm not driving though. Oh wow. So we have the car full, and Jarrod is an old guy and his back is in pain, so he's driving because he can't sit back here. And I can see myself on the video. It's so good. Alright. First day with the beast. And that's there. Finally, we got Monica in the house. And we have a couple of couches Jarrod is trying to figure it out which one of these 3 phones he's gonna use. And that's it. So this is my working bench. I'm gonna clean that now. You see there are tools that are very important for the task. My son is going to help, and I'm going to replace the little white stuff that goes all over that. I bought it black. So yeah, I'm gonna put that one there. Jarrod's still there. And that's it. Peace. Alright, so we did it. Jarrod here, still doing phone stuff. Not working very well. Now it actually worked. And got the table. I just cut everything. You see that I just used the X-Acto knife on the bottom, like doing and I also need to maybe use some part of this and finish in here. And for the corners, as you see here, there's a little bit of leftover. So what we're gonna do is go to Home Depot, get those corners, because this is actually sharp. I don't want my son to run into this here. And get like a black corner or something, like a piece of rubber, and put around here, and start stripping this lady apart and get it fixed. Catch you later.